My name is Teresa Fatfield Morgan, and I've just received the Te Pou Scholarship for Kaitiakitanga. To apply for the scholarship, I found it was quite a streamlined process. It's quite easy in terms of submitting a professional reference and a personal reference. Anyone that's thinking of applying for the scholarship, give it a go. It's quite a straightforward application, and there is plenty of support to help you.
I didn't have the confidence to apply until 7 days before the scholarship cut-off date. So I thought that I would try and give it a go anyway. I'm so glad that I did, because look at the results.
Dr. Digoris Te she's been a key part of my rāranga journey right from my first year studying. One of the aromatawai that we had to submit was creating a business plan post-study. This has definitely led me into thinking about opportunities where I can support up-and-coming artists and helping them to find their way as well.
It's an investment, I think of it, into my dreams, my future goals, my commitment that I have for the tauira that I'm going to be able to teach in the future. I believe I have a gift that I could share with the kids, because knowledge is power. Without knowledge, there's no power. If I can give them what I know for them to build, then, that's pretty much what I want to do.
This scholarship allows me to be afforded the mātauranga of doing my he korowai a ko Ngāgri. I'm a third year tauira. I've worked really hard to get to this point, and as I mentioned, it has not been easy, and so this taonga helps me to achieve that, but also set into motion plans towards making future studies in my master's possible for my whānau.
It means more than I can explain. It's more than just financial assistance. I want to be able to show any Māori kid out there that they can achieve their dreams, to reach for the highest stars, to be able to show them that where they begin is not where they have to end up.
I would say just apply for it, push yourself to do so. If you're scared about doing it, just find out the little steps that you need to take to create the whole picture that will get you ultimately the application. I think it's really important that tauira understand it is available to them. It's not meant for just special people, it's meant for everybody. So they need to be able to push themselves to do that.